Hey! BOOZHOO Nish Anishinaabe Duke. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. Now please welcome the star of the show, NANABOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Okay, miigwech, weenie mushane. Thank you, sweetheart. And today, I'd like to tell the story of Fox and Rabbit. Wagosh and Wabooz. Back in the days of the grandfathers, Wagosh was a little like Bugs Bunny, and he had magical powers. One day, Wagosh, the fox, was hunting for the rabbit by following his tracks. Wabooz knew Wagosh was gaining on him, so he told his moccasins to jump off his feet and continue to walk down the trail. "You guys keep going," he said. "I'm going to jump off the trail and hide." So the rabbit's moccasins kept walking down the road without him, while the fox continued to follow the tracks. When he saw that it was just a pair of shoes he was hunting, Wagosh said, "Oh, that dirty Wabooz! He tricked me. But I am Wagosh, the fox. I am a great hunter, and I will get him." Wagosh turned back. A little while down the trail again, the fox sees an elderly lady in a blanket and a scarf over her head, stirring a bowl of stew. "Excuse me, grandmother, have you seen a rabbit walk by here?" he asked.
"Oh, no, I'm just an old lady minding her own business. I haven't seen anybody."
"Okay then," Wagosh replied. "Have a nice day." As he turned to leave, Wabooz leapt out from beneath the blanket and scarf to exclaim, "Aha! It is I, Wabooz the rabbit! You can't catch me!" And he smacked the fox on the head with a wooden spoon before darting out down the trail. "Hold it, Wabooz! He tricked me, but he won't trick me again. I am Wagosh, the mighty hunter, and I will not be fooled." So the fox started to track the rabbit again. Soon he came upon an elderly gentleman standing at the side of the path with a tall walking stick. He was wearing a big cowboy hat and was wrapped in a blanket. Wagosh says, "Excuse me, grandfather, have you seen Wabooz the rabbit?" "No, sir. I'm just an old man slowly making his way down the trail. I don't know anything about a rabbit." "Okay then," Wagosh replied. "Have a nice day." But just then, Wabooz threw off the hat and blanket and exclaimed, "Aha! It is I, Wabooz!" and smacked the fox on the head with his stick. The rabbit darted off, leaving Wagosh steaming. "Oh, that dirty Wabooz! He tricked me for the last time," he said, and set out tracking Wabooz once again. The rabbit continued through the forest for a time until he came upon an old hollowed-out pine. He circled it 4 times and jumped into the center. When Wagosh arrived, he could see the tracks leading up to the tree. "Oh, nice try, rabbit. You think you can fool me again?" he said. "I know you've changed yourself into a tree to trick me, but I won't be fooled again." Wagosh lunged at the tree with his mouth wide open. As he bit into the cold bark, he realized he had been tricked again. "Oh, that dirty Wabooz!" he growled, and swung his fist at the tree. Just then, Wabooz stuck his head out to tease the fox, but he got punched in the nose instead. And that is why all rabbits have little flat noses today. What? So this has been the story of Wagosh and Wabooz, the fox and the rabbit. What do you think of that, sweetie?
Oh, that's a great story.
All right. You wanna send us out?
Okay. Well, everyone, thank you for watching, or thank you for listening. Miigwech Bizandawieg to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. and this is NanaBOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hoa.
Oh,
You know, there's just one thing I don't understand.
what's that?
Well, so rabbits have little flat noses because one rabbit got punched?
I know, it makes no sense. Na 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 boozhoo, na 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 boozhoo. Welcome to NanaBOOZHOO, NanaBOOZHOO.
Went to a dance looking for romance, saw NanaBOOZHOO, so I thought I'd take... Oh, honey, I can't do it.
What's the matter, baby?
My voice. I can't sing today.
Oh yeah, you sound really rugged. You sound cozy.
Yeah, I think I'm sick.
Okay, honey. Well, we don't have to sing today. Let me just do the show, and then I'll make you some bakakokwanak na boob. I'll make you some chicken soup. Hey, BOOZHOO ni Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha.
And I am NanaBOOZHOO. And today, you know what? I think our Ojibwe word should be akozi.
Akozi.
Yeah. Natasha here, she's a little under the weather. She's out of balance. She's ill. And our Ojibwe, in Ojibwe, what we would say is akozi, out of balance. If I'm out of balance, I'm ninakozi. Hoa. You know what? And I think I got a little touch of that cold too.
That's because you kissed me right on the mouth.
Sweetie, you don't have to say that on the radio. Hoa. Akozi, I am ill.
Akozi. Chiakozi. I'm ninakozi. I'm really sick. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to go get some NyQuil and go back to bed.
All right, honey. Well, hey, just want to say, miigwech bizandawiye. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NanaBOOZHOO. Hey, you wanna sign off?
And I am Natasha.
And and she's going back to bed. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Hoa. You want me to make some tea for you there, sweetie? Some anabish?
Yeah, okay. Anishinaabe, and welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am Natasha, and over here, the star of the show.
Oh, get out of here, will you?
Mr. NanaBOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
BOOZHOO ni Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back. And yeah, so it's some really good singing there, sweetie.
I know, huh?
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Doweigan, the drum. Oh, I don't know if there's anything more sacred in the old Anishinaabe tradition than the drum.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, probably Mother Earth herself.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, back in the days of the grandfathers, in the Anishinaabe tradition, that's pretty much what we thought of the drum. Mm-hmm. It was the heartbeat of Mother Earth herself. We said that Dawe'igan was the heartbeat. And that's why, you'll go to a powwow and you'll see some babies there and they'll be just fast asleep. And there's nothing louder than a powwow. But the babies, it's like they're listening to the heartbeat. And I think it's because babies, they spend so much time, they spend 9 months just listening to a heartbeat. They're right there. So when they come back to the powwow, they're like, oh yeah, let's take a nap. This sounds like my mom's heartbeat. And it is. It's your Mother Earth's heartbeat. Dawe'igan, drum. All right. You want to add anything to this, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay. Well, then I'm going to send us out with Miigwech Bizin Dawieg. Thank you for listening
To BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast
about Ojibwe language and culture.
I am Natasha.
And I am Nanaboozhoo. And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min.
Minawa. Hoa.
Oh, all right. Good job, sweetie.
Oh, yeah.